it is a great topic to lead off with because right now, just the way it all kind of worked out, and I guess silver lining of the coronavirus, if there is one, I know it's a very dangerous thing that's out there right now, is that mortgage rates are extremely low.
Yeah, they're very, very low. I honestly think it's for the short term. They're going to go back. They're going to go back up. They have to go back up. I mean, it's just a life cycle.
It's not sustainable.
It's not sustainable, and it's a very small window of opportunity. So if you were able to take advantage of it, like kudos, applauding you because you're staying on the, whatever clients were able to refinance and lower their rate, because it is incredibly. I just locking in the low 3s, high 2s. For 30-year fixed mortgages,
It's unbelievable.
regardless if it's government or conventional. It's
Might not get that opportunity
again. Do it now. It's been absolutely crazy. But the coronavirus even though it's extremely scary and it's something that you have to take serious and you have to pay attention and you don't want it. It's not something that you want to,
Of course not.
Mess around with. I think the United States is super prepared to be able to handle something like that. It's important for people to know that, in my opinion, we have to learn how to coexist with this virus now because it's not going away. We're going to need vaccines and things like that. But we're in a place where it didn't start here. It came to us. So the whole period of it coming over to us, we were able to take that opportunity and learn about what happened in China and how to not to let that happen over here. And,
Absolutely.
And make sure that people are getting the right treatment and with vaccines that come out, it'll be fine. I mean, the flu is a much more dangerous, disease.
Yeah, I'm in agreement with you on that.
Much more people get infected with it much more, but it's something that we've coexisted with for a long time. But when it came out, when the flu first started happening, people were dying left and right on it, and so we figured it out. So I have all the confidence in the world that the United States scientists, medicine today, will fix it. We'll cure it, and then rates are going to go back up.
Yeah, which means it's a great opportunity right now for folks who are either interested in buying property, have more buying power, or folks who are interested in refinancing their existing mortgage to knock some points off of that or a point. And it's a really, really awesome opportunity to save a big chunk of money over the long term.
Yeah, if you can do it, take the time to make it happen and lock in a rate and take advantage of lowering your monthly costs so that way you can better budget for yourself. It's worth it. Now, as far as insurance rates, it doesn't have any impact. You're not based on the stock market. You're based off risk, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And so insurance rates have been pretty
so weather
steady
affects yours, whereas coronavirus affects mine.
Right, and it's usually a lot more slow to develop for the insurance industry. Rates kind of take a lot longer. There's so many other factors, but typically big catastrophic losses, major weather events and things like that are the things that tip the scales with property insurance rates over the course of time. So it's been pretty steady for us, but I will say extremely busy time because we're given refinance clients an opportunity to shop their homeowners insurance again. We've talked about that in the past. It's a great time for people to
open the books up and see if you can do better.
Exactly. If you're already saving some money on the monthly payment through a lower interest rate, why not see if you can get your insurance premium down a little bit too? So you guys are keeping us busy over at Movement through this refi.
Oh, I bet.